The car came in, no start. It had been low on coolant. They drove it. It quit running. So it won't start. So it's hard to determine blown head gaskets without being able to run some chemical tests through it. So we did a compression test, and we found that it was almost 2 gallons low on coolant. So we added water to it, and we're going to pressurize it. There should not be any compression or pressure in the cooling system since the car's not been running. But as you'll see in the video, when we start it over, engine compression is coming into the cooling system, which means the head gaskets are blown.